Does beating your child amounts to you being an abusive parent? Well, the Domestic Violence Act is, of course, one to refer to, as well as the Child Care and Protection Act. Now, we have a culture in Jamaica where we believe that we should not spare the rod and spoil the child. For sure, we must note that discipline must first be defined, and abuse must also be defined in order for us as to whether beating may be an abusive mechanism. Now, I, for one, as an advocate for children, believe that you can beat a child and not be abusive, but it can also tread over to the lines of abuse. Now, if a child is experiencing abuse, however, then that child also has a right under the Domestic Violence Act, Section 3, to make the relevant report through a third party. That is, they can report a parent or a guardian of that child, someone who resides or visits the property where that child resides, a counselor, teacher, a child advocate, a constable can make an application to the court on behalf of the child for a protection order. So, if your child is experiencing abuse, if you know somebody, which is a child, that is experiencing abuse in their home, they can report it. They can make an application through the court for protection order. Of course, through an adult. So, we want to be careful. Remember, our children are our future, and we don't want to abuse them. Discipline and abuse are two different things. We need to remember that.